Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up guys? Today we're gonna do a product review on the Muck Off bike cleaner. And then I don't know if I'm gonna use this today, but we're gonna see how this stuff works. I got a bunch of like sticker residue, dirt, grime, bunch of stuff just from riding on the street and stuff. So it says spray down the bike first and then let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna test how this stuff works out, and then yeah.
Jay made this one.
I thought it was about to like expand.
So what does that do?
Use a sponge, just watch it magically grow in full-size sponge. It didn't grow.
No, pause. Time out.
Nah, didn't work. Whatever.
Alright, I can slowly start to see it though.
Yeah, it's definitely. Uh-oh. There we go. Alright. Spray some of this stuff. It's getting bigger. No homo.
Yo! You probably need those spokes, fam.
They're dirty. Look, you can see them coming out.
You're right.
Nah, Jay made this one.
hard with all the spikes and stuff. Bro, these pedals look brand new. I'm not even gonna lie.
Next stop, make it drop, yeah.
Camera this way.
They made this one.
800K, got them beats, coach.
Bombs you're talking about. Pretty crisp. A little scratch.
What happened right there?
Where? Right here? I don't even know, man. I can definitely clean the bars a little bit.
We're gonna have to bring the bike out in the sun for them to see it.
Right.
You know, there's no more sunlight, so you guys can't really see the true clean.
Bring it to the garage, cause you know makeover comments.
I don't think they're ready for that. That's next video, right?